friends, in today's video we are talking about spring decor for your home. Hey friends, welcome back to our channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Angie and I'm excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing some new spring decor that I have found for our home. I'm not ready to decorate for the spring season yet, but I like to see what is available in the stores and online so that I can go ahead and purchase it for the spring season, because by the time spring gets here, just about everything is sold out. So I'm going to share some things that I have found, and without further ado, let's get started. So before we get started with today's video, I would like to thank Kedsome for sponsoring today's video.
Kedsome is a brand specializing in hand trucks, luggage carts, platform trucks, shopping carts, furniture dolly carts, and more. Kedsome is committed to providing customers with safer, more durable, and smarter moving tools to make your moving process easier. This is the Kedsome dolly cart. It has a 31-inch base. It only weighs 13.8 pounds, and it comes with 6 wheels, and that's all that you have to assemble on this dolly cart. It comes folded for easy storage, but you just pop the handle up, it pops right into place. This dolly is very easy to use, and it even goes downstairs. The base of the dolly even extends out to help you with more carrying power. This hand truck also has brakes, which is a great safety feature when you are moving heavy objects from place to place. I have found that this hand truck is a great tool to have around your house for all of your moving needs. It has helped me so much with my organizing, and it has helped me with moving heavy flower pots and with moving heavy groceries from the car to the house. If you would like a Kedsome hand truck to help you with all of your moving needs around your home, I will have all the details listed in the description box below for you. Thank you again, Kedsome, for sponsoring today's video.
So the first thing I want to share with you is this sweatshirt. I love the blue-gray color of it, and it has flowers on the front of it. It's perfect for our weather right now because we're having cool mornings and then it warms up in the afternoon. So this is a perfect sweatshirt to wear. I've been wearing it since I bought it. I wore it to North Carolina this weekend. We went for a little family trip, and I just added a shirt up under it for an extra layer. But it is such a nice sweatshirt. It's got a nice little cozy lining in it, and it just looks like spring to me with the flowers. So that's the first thing that I found for my spring wardrobe. The second thing that I found for my spring decor is this bunny outdoor rug. This is so cute to me, and it's not just for Easter. You could have it out all spring and summer if you wanted to. This is just a really nice doormat. I love the bunny on it, and then it's got the backing on the back of it. But I just think this is so perfect for spring. And since I like to layer my rugs on the porch, I did end up picking up this plaid rug. And it looks really good, I think, with the bunny. I'll show you how it looks layered together. But this is such a great look for spring, this green plaid. And this rug is perfect for layering. Here is the bunny rug layered on top of that plaid rug. And I haven't even taken the price tags off of it or anything because I'm not ready to really put it out here. This porch needs a really good cleaning. But I love how that looks. I just think it's very spring and adds a little bit of color. So I'm excited about that. I ended up buying 2 of these, so I'll use one at the front door and probably one back here on the screen porch. I just love that, welcoming us into the house. So that's an exciting find and a cute find. And then I found some pillow covers for the spring season. I love to change out my pillow inserts and just add a pillow cover. They're easier to store and they're easy to change out every season. But I love, and y'all know that I love plaids and stripes, but this is a plaid pillow cover. It's got the ruffle edge on it. It is a chocolate brown and cream, and I am loving incorporating the browns in our home. And you know that I don't follow trends. I don't really care about keeping up with them. I like more of a thrifted, collected type home. But browns are really trending right now, and it makes me so excited because that color is what I use throughout our home. I will be able to find more things in this color to add to our home that will go with my color scheme. But I ended up getting 2 of these. These are 22 by 22, and I add about a 24-inch insert to make them look a little bit fuller and just make them look very designer-like and a lot more fluffy. So I plan to use these in a bedroom makeover. So be sure that you stay tuned for that, because I am working on that right now behind the scenes, kind of. And this is just going to be so beautiful added in there for that bedroom refresh. I love how these look. I love the color of them. Just a fun pattern. And then I've got one more thing to share with you for my spring decor. It's not really decor. It's more of garden. I'm thinking more of my garden and getting that ready and planting lots of flowers and vegetables, and I'm just so excited for spring. So let me show you the last thing that I got for right now. I will probably end up getting a few more things just to add throughout the house and more things for my garden. But for right now, this is what I've gotten. So let me share that with you. So here it is. This is called seed tape. And I follow Carmen Johnston Gardens on Instagram. And she is a master gardener. She just has so many tips and tricks. I'll put her Instagram handle down below in case you want to check out her page. But she recommended this seed tape. And she said that it was easy to grow. I planted some carrots last year and nothing happened. I didn't get any carrots. And she said that with these, it is very easy to grow. And it's just strips of paper, I guess, with seeds in it. And you just lay it out in the pot with some dirt, and then you water it. And it's supposed to produce beautiful carrots. So we'll see if it works. And I also ordered some lettuce, but it was on back order. And so it should be here this week, I think they said. I'm excited to give these a try and see if they work for us. And I think they had, I think I saw carrots, lettuce, and maybe radish. I don't remember what all they had. There was not a lot of options for this type, but I'm definitely going to try the carrots and the lettuce if they get here. And then hopefully we'll have lots of carrots to eat. So I've got my seed tape. I've got my pot with potting soil in it. And these are probably better to put in your garden, but it says wait till the last frost. And so I'm just going to start it in this pot, and so I can keep it inside. And you just lay the strips down on the dirt. So I'm just going to cut it so it'll fit in this pot.
And then I'll water this and keep it inside until the frost, till our last frost, and then I'll bring it outside. And then when I came outside to find the pot, my lettuce had been delivered. So I'm going to plant this up too, and hopefully we'll have nice lettuce. So it says sow in average soil in full sun in early spring for first crop. So I can keep this outside if it doesn't get too cold, but I'll have to research the lettuce and see what I do. But it needs full sun for at least 6 hours. And it says the tape protects seed during germination and fully dissolves during watering. So I'm excited about these. So I'll try it and I'll keep you posted on what my carrots and my lettuce do. So that's all my finds for my spring decor for the season. It's not a lot, but I'm just slowly transitioning to the spring season and just excited to incorporate all of these into our home and get ready for that spring season. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out our channel so much. And also let me know down below what was your favorite find that I found so far for my spring decor. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. If you're new here and you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing all of y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.